Hey there, sneaker enthusiasts. If you're a fan of scoring rare kicks on GOAT, you know how crucial it is to have the right shipping address, especially with the latest updates in 2025. Maybe you've moved, or you're shipping to a friend. Whatever the reason, changing your address is quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can avoid any delivery mishaps and get your hyped drops right where they need to be. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're on the GOAT app or website. If you're using the app, open it up on your phone. It's super user-friendly. Log in to your account using your email and password. If you haven't updated your app to the 2025 version, do that now for the smoothest experience. It includes new features like enhanced security. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile. You can find this by tapping the icon in the top right corner that looks like a person or your avatar. In your profile, scroll down until you see the Shipping and Billing section. Tap on that, and you'll see your current address listed. Now, hit the Edit button next to your address. This will open a form where you can update the details: street, city, state, zip code, and even country if needed. Double-check everything for accuracy to prevent any delays. After you've made your changes, hit Save or Update Address. GOAT might ask you to confirm with a one-time code sent to your email or phone for security reasons. Go ahead and verify that. And just like that, your new address is set. A quick tip: if you're changing addresses for a specific order, make sure to do this before checkout, as some updates might not apply retroactively. Also, if you run into any errors, like the app not saving, try logging out and back in, or check for any app glitches in the 2025 update. There you have it. Changing your shipping address on GOAT is easier than tying your laces. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more sneaker tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay fresh, everyone.